We have some great therapies for very serious disease, but there's still a lot of areas where patients are really poorly treated, and the opportunity to do something about that, is a really rewarding career path. My name's Andrew Nash. Up until recently, for the last 18 to 20 years, in fact, I've been the global head of research for CSL. For the last 5 years, I've been CSL's chief scientific officer. Universities and medical research institutes are really set up, for the most part, to do basic science and to do some of that translational work. They are not really set up for that drug development process, which can take a very long time and is very expensive. So a large part of what I've done over the last 20 or 30 years is to collaborate very closely with scientists in medical research institutes to work with them on translating their work and the work that we've been doing in CSL into something that's going to benefit patients. Any problems, any challenges?
Everything's good.
The model that's most often pursued is small startup ventures, which can really focus on a single unique problem, get the funding and move that along to a point where they've taken some of the risk out of it, and where big companies can either then come in and partner or participate in the further development of that drug. One of the things that we realised that was missing here in the Parkville precinct was a really high quality wet lab incubator. So a couple of years ago now, we partnered with WEHI and the University of Melbourne to establish Jumar Bioincubator. That's for small companies that are just starting on their journey. It's been very successful over the last 2 years. I think there's 30 to 40 small companies in that incubator at the moment, and I think that's filled a real gap. It's really about positioning yourself as a company to access innovation.
And did we need to come up with some new antibodies specifically for the models?
A lot of us who work in this area for a long time, you're full of doubts. Am I working on the right thing? Is my research ultimately really going to matter? Am I really helping do the things that I want to do? And to be acknowledged through a fellowship of the Academy, it goes at least some way towards, making you feel that the work you've been doing has made a difference.